Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. An important provision has been made in the will to enable the board to take steps to secure better working conditions for workers engaged in the rubber industry and to see that they are provided with amenities and incentives. I should also like to tell the House that the present production of rubber is about 22,000 tons a year. The demand is increasing every year while the supply is not keeping pace with the demand. It is proposed to fill up the gap over the short period by importing rubber and over the long period by implementing the scheme for the development of the rubber industry. The bill, when passed, would enable the board to import rubber, and a provision has been made as to how any profits that are made out of this import of rubber should be utilized to increase the production of rubber. It is proposed to take up the development scheme, the details of which are being worked out. For this purpose, a provision has been made to enable the government to increase the cess gradually from the present cess of 10 rupees per 100 kg to 50 paise per kg. It appears that at present the small grower is at a great disadvantage as far as the marketing of his rubber is concerned. This problem is rather difficult to solve. Provision, however, has been made for the rubber board to take up marketing of rubber also. It is hoped that the new board will be able to tackle the problem of the small grower successfully. It is hoped that the board, with such control and advice that government can give, will be able to render useful service to the rubber industry. I have given a skeleton inviting the attention of the House to the salient features of this amending will. I have no doubt that critical observations will be made on the substance of the will as also on its details, and it will be my duty to refer to them and reply to them in the course of the debate. Sir, I therefore commend the will to the honorable members of the House. Mr. Vice Chairman, this is a will to amend another commodity board, the rubber board. We are now having various boards for the development of tea, coffee, silk, and now rubber. There are various others also like the core board and things like that. You will find that all these boards are now completely under the thumb of the Commerce Ministry. The initiative has been taken away from the private enterprise and has been passed on to the bureaucratic machine. Full stop.